Thank you for stopping by. I remain your beloved Ekene. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Today we are going to take you through IGBO lesson. Especially in this part of IGBO class, I believe is very crucial. Is word and opposite in IGBO language. Word and opposite helps everyone, anyone who want to learn any language. It gets you on your feet and get you ongoing. It makes you learn any language or every language more easier. So this I am gonna give you very short one. I promise to make anyone who visit this channel to speak Igbo more fluently and effortlessly. So here I'm gonna start by telling you the overview of the today's video. Ogaranya, ogbenye, nwata, okenye. And let me just take you to the place where I spaced it more better. So ogaranya is ogbenye, rich person, then poor person. In Igbo language is ogaranya. 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 Then the other one is ogbenye. Ogbenye. So this one now is nwata and okenye. And the translation here is a little bit wrong because I'm supposed to say old person. Old person. Then the nwata is a kid. So young person or small child is nwata. Then the older person is so opposite of nwata is okenye. Nwata, okenye, okenye. Yeah. Then this one is nwoke. Nwoke, male person is nwoke. Then nwanyi is female person. Nwanyi. Nwa anye. Nye. Nye. Nwanyi. So it's very tricky because I see my kids struggle with this pronunciation. Nwanyi. Nwanyi, not nwanyi, because my kids normally do that. Nwanyi. So you bring it down. Okay. So I decided to make it very snappy and short. Watch out for the continuation of this video in the other parts. It continues, but I got to make it very short. Nwata, nwoke, nwoke, nwanyi, nwata, okenye, ogaranya, ogbenye. These are the opposite of each other. So thank you for stopping by, and watch out for the next other videos and continue to visit this channel. I will definitely continue to make Igbo language easy for anyone that want to speak it. I remain your beloved Ekene Igbo. So ka ọ dị mbọsị ọzọ, ka emesia.